Hi, I'm Matthias. Great to have you here. Today I'll show you how to query HubSpot data in Claude to get insights on what's happening in your CRM system. It's a 3 steps process. Step number 1 is the connection of HubSpot. Step number 2, an installation of a connector in Claude. And step number 3 is to get the data. Let's get started. As a first step, you head on to onboard.windsor.ai, and in here, look for HubSpot. Click on Grant HubSpot access. And now I have a dev account connected, which is a bit suboptimal because I don't have many insights, but I can't show you production data. So on your end, you will have more data to play with. Once you have connected it, you head to Claude. And in here, in the settings page under connectors, you browse connectors, you look for Windsor, connect. And now the data is connected. Of course, you can also add other connectors to, say, join your HubSpot data with your paid media data. Up to you. I'm just going to run a really simple prompt to show you how it works. I know that I had a bunch of sample records updated in July 2025, so I'm just going to ask how many contacts have I updated in July 2025 in HubSpot. As you can see now here, it retrieved the correct field to look for, which is last modified date, and then it returned the 1,103 sample contacts I have in HubSpot. So the data was retrieved, the question was answered. Of course, you might have more complex questions. You can also feel free to start with our prompt library, where we have created a bunch of sample prompts. You can get started right away. Thanks very much for watching. It's great having you here, and enjoy working with our connectors.